I gave myself 24 hours. No audience, no budget, no fancy setup, just me and AI tools. The goal? To see if a complete beginner can actually make real money using AI in a single day. No theories, no side hustle guru talk, just results. And what happened surprised me more than I expected. Most people think making money online takes months. Skills, experience, a big following. But AI has changed that completely. So I tested 3 different AI money methods in 24 hours. Some failed fast. One actually worked. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did, step by step, including what made money and what didn't. Here were my rules. 24-hour timer, no paid ads, no existing audience, only AI tools allowed for creation. Anything I made had to be real and sellable. I used tools like ChatGPT for ideas and writing, Canva for design, and free AI image generators for visuals. Then I split the day into 3 methods: AI digital product, AI freelance service, AI content, monetization experiment. Let's start with the first one. I started with the most popular method online right now, selling a digital product made with AI. I asked ChatGPT for ideas that were easy to create and demand, fast to sell. It suggested a beginner productivity planner pack, so I built it. Inside Canva, I created daily planner pages, habit trackers, goal-setting sheets, a 7-day productivity challenge. AI helped generate the structure, prompts, and copy in minutes. Total creation time, about 2 hours. Then I listed it on a free marketplace as a $5 digital download. Now I waited. But here's what happened. 0 sales in the first few hours. No traffic, no clicks. That's when I realized something important. AI can create products fast, but it doesn't bring buyers. So I moved on. This is where things got more interesting. Instead of waiting for buyers, I went looking for them. I used AI to create a simple service. AI-powered social media captions for small businesses. I made samples using ChatGPT, Instagram captions for cafes, TikTok hooks for fitness trainers, Facebook ads for local shops. Then I created a simple offer, 5 captions for $10. I posted it in Facebook groups and small business forums. At first, nothing. Then after a few hours, I got my first message. A small online store owner needed help with product captions. I delivered the work in under 15 minutes using AI. They paid instantly. $10 earned. Not life-changing money, but proof it worked. Then another message came in. This time, $25 for a bigger batch. Now I was starting to see something real. AI wasn't just a tool for making products, it was a tool for delivering services fast. But I still had one more experiment to try. This one was riskier. I created a faceless short-form video using AI script writing, AI voiceover, stock footage. The video was simple. 3 AI tools that can make your life easier in 2026. I posted it on a new account. No followers, no history. Just to see if the algorithm would pick it up. For the first few hours, nothing. Then something unexpected happened. It started getting views. A few hundred. Then a few thousand. Not viral, but enough to prove the idea. AI content can grow even from 0. But here's the catch. Views didn't equal money. Not immediately. So while this method had long-term potential, it didn't produce instant income in 24 hours. After 24 hours, here's what actually happened. Digital product, $0, freelance service, $35 earned, content experiment, 3,200 views, $0 for now. Total, $35 in one day. Not huge. But here's the important part. Every dollar came from something AI helped create or deliver. And more importantly, I didn't need skills, followers, or money to start. Here's what I learned. AI doesn't replace effort. It multiplies it. The people making real money with AI aren't just pressing buttons. They're using it to move faster than everyone else. The real advantage isn't automation. It's speed. Speed to create. Speed to test. Speed to sell. So did I make money with AI in 24 hours? Yes. But more importantly, I proved something else. You don't need perfect conditions to start. You just need one idea and the willingness to test it fast. If I had 7 more days, I'm pretty sure that $35 would turn into something much bigger. But that's a story for another video.